Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working, right? So basically, I'm already in the Roblox, and here on the top right side corner, you can see the settings icon. Just go to the setting here, and basically you have to first of all verify your age. Why I'm saying you to verify your age? Because after the verifying your age, when you just go to the privacy tab, here you will get the option regarding the voice chat, right? Right now it is not there because you have not verified your age. So if I just click on my verify my age here, you can see that I have to put or I have to submit my documents which confirm that this is my age, right? And basically this is how it's possible. I can show you in the help button. And the second option is that you have to again go to the setting icon which is on top right side corner, then just go to the help button, and here voice chat not working, you have to type this, okay? And basically you will get the option that is called chat with voice, and here you can see it says how do I enable chat with voice. You have to just go to the account setting, then you have to verify your age, which I have told you. Then in the privacy tab you will get the option that is a voice chat selected to on. And if this doesn't work out, then just go to the bottom and click here no, and after that you can see that it will redirect to your new page, but basically it is not showing me anything, right? So just click on need more help and contact support here, and here it will redirect to a new page. So basically just wait for a few seconds, and here you have to enter your username, the first name, the email address, and you have to confirm your email address because email address is pretty important, where they will try to contact with you and they will try to solve your problem. And which device you have the problem, just to go and select whatever device which you are using it, right? And the type of a help, here you have to select the voice chat and age setting, right? And you have to describe your problem that I'm not able to access the voice chat and I'm facing so many problems, so just let me help out by fixing that problem, right? So this is how you can, and after that just click on the submit. So this is pretty easy, guys. This is how you can just fix the Roblox voice chat not working. And if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.